Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Amazon AtoZ employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in atoz-login.amazon.work and press enter. You will then find the I'm a DSP Delivery Associate option. Go ahead and click on this and then click on Continue as Delivery Associate. You will now be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your phone number or your email address that you have used while creating your account and then click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the Sign In button and you will be logged in to your Amazon AtoZ employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Amazon AtoZ employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.